Major melodies can only be transposed to other major keys, and minor melodies can only be transposed to other minor keys. You may be asked to transpose melodies up or down into a given key. And so let's go through that procedure using this example, which transposes the melody down into G major. The first step is to identify the key. The key signature is 2 flats, and the melody has no added accidentals, and so the key is B flat major. Next, on the staff, write the tonic of the new key, so G, below the tonic of the original key, so B flat, and determine the interval distance between the two notes. Now we write the new key tonic below the original key tonic because we're going down. If we were going up, we would write the new key note above the original. So now let's count the distance, and we get a third. To write the transpose melody, use the new key signature of G major and move all the notes down a third. Don't forget that as notes are moved down on the staff, the stem direction may need to be changed. The steps for transposing a melody down a given interval are similar for those transposing the melody up a given interval, which we covered in a previous level. Let's use this example, which transposes the melody down an augmented second. Again, the first step is to identify the key of the original melody. The key signature of 5 sharps with no added accidentals tells us that the key is B major. Next, using the tonic of the original key as the upper note of the given interval, determine the lower note. So the tonic note of B major is B, and the given interval is an augmented second, and so the lower note will be A flat. The lower note that creates the given interval will be the tonic of the new key, and so the new key is A flat major. Again, the last step is to write the new key signature and move all notes down the given distance. In this example, a second. A reminder about melodies containing accidentals. When a note in the original melody is raised or lowered with an accidental, the corresponding transpose note must also be raised or lowered with an accidental. Be aware that the transpose note does not always use the same type of accidental as the corresponding note in the original melody, but it must have the same effect. In other words, if the note was raised in the original, it must be raised in the transpose version, and if it was lowered in the given melody, it must be lowered in the new key.